Hey friends, so today I am unboxing the Nike Airmax 90 Love Letter. So I actually won these on the Sneakers app, which I will link down below if you guys have never downloaded the app yet. And I've never won anything on that app prior to getting these sneakers. And it's actually very hard to win on the Sneakers app, so I was very pleasantly surprised that I won these. And these sneakers actually premiered on Valentine's Day, hence the color of the shoe. Alright, so here is the front of the box. So cute. And now I'm just gonna slide it open. And look, these are the shoes. Alright, here are the shoes. So pretty. I was actually very hesitant to go forward with the purchase when I went on the Sneakers app because, I don't know, online I didn't really know if I would like the red and pink color on it because it just looked a little too festive and too Valentine's Day-ish for me, but I just went ahead with the purchase. But I must say, in person, these are so beautiful. The pink color is a very muted pink, and the pink is not leather, it's actually suede. And I love it because the suede and leather gives the shoe more dimension. If you look closely, there's hearts in front of the shoe. In the box, they actually gave you a pair of red shoelaces if you ever want to change up the look of the shoe. So personally, Nike Airmax 90s are my favorite sneakers so far because it gives you sufficient height. And in my opinion, I personally just think that the chunkiness of the shoe is perfect. Like, it's not too overly chunky, but then again, the shoe isn't too narrow. And if you're wearing, you know, baggier jeans, like bootcut jeans, flared jeans, I think those kinds of jeans and the Nike Air Max 90 sneakers look so seamless and, you know, hugs the shoe nicely. Oh, so if you guys just look in the insole, so one of them is red and the other is pink. So cute. And the sole of the shoe is a nice vibrant red color. And then in the back of the sneaker, it has the Nike Air with that little heart on top of the eye. Of course, you got the famous Nike Air Max look right here, the air bubbles. I love the air bubbles. I was never a fan of the air bubbles at first, but I love it now. These shoes are actually very comfy to walk in, obviously because the Nike Air Max 90s, they were originally meant for running. So I actually wore these shoes to work on Nike Air Max Day, which is on March 26th every year. Obviously, I need to like break it in. So after a while, my feet started to hurt. But then after the first day of wearing it, these shoes felt so comfortable. And I got these in my normal size, which is a size 9. And I don't think it hurts to size up half a size, especially if your feet is wider, obviously, or during the winter time, if you want to wear thicker socks, then I think sizing up would be perfect. Oh, what's so neat about this shoe is right here, you actually open this. It has a little message right here that says, "Me plus AM90 equals true love." And I'll open it for this one here too. And then the other one says AM90 forever, which I love. It's so cute. So yeah, guys, obviously these are limited edition sneakers, but you can purchase it on the GOAT app also if you are in love with these shoes. Just in general, I highly recommend Air Max 90s for everyone because it's just so perfect. It's a great balance of everything. And I will now show you an outfit that I paired with these sneakers.
I've been ballin' for days. Switch gears, had to change lanes. You fuck with the boy, cause I always been a man. Don't expect none of these niggas to understand. I get 50 for a feature, I'm in how the man. I'm in Balenciaga, mixing with the Prada. Only got one night, are we getting it in? Cause if we not, then your time is up. I like it, I love it.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Definitely more sneaker unboxing and reviews in the future. and I will see you in my next video. Bye!